know what sound C makes? It says like up. Or umbrella.
It's Z.
That one goes to me. It's you.
Z.
You know what sound Z makes?
Z.
Good.
Cake. 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 Cake.
Ooh.
V.
Like Vansen.
T.
You know what sound T makes?
Ow.
You know what sound R makes?
O.
Like run.
P.
Yeah, can you think of a word that starts with P?
Pail.
Yeah, good one.
V.
No.
Mm.
It says yeah.
Y.
Yes. And yes starts with Y. It says g, like
G.
goose or go.
I like to get that. We're gonna say geese.
Do you know what letter geese starts with?
Yeah.
We'll come back. Yeah. What letter is it though? Well, do this one.
H.
Yeah. Do you know what sound H makes?
No.
Think about hot. Yeah. This is the letter G. This one goes to me. I got 2. Let's count how many you got.
I got so many.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You win. Yeah. What's your prize going to be?
Jelly bean.
Okay, 2 jelly beans because you had a popsicle for dessert earlier.
What a good game, buddy.
Daddy.
How was your day, my buddy boy?
Good.
Good,
Can you catch me?
Sure.
Can you catch me?